What's good, guys? Today I'll show you an easy strategy on how you can make money online for free only using Instagram, where you're going to promote Clickbank products. I will show you what we can do step by step to achieve that type of daily earnings without any investment. Your only investment actually is the time you put into it, but it's more about consistency than working hard, as it's not time consuming at all. The key to make it work for us here is to do it every day. Okay, so first thing we need to do is think about the niche of our Instagram page. I recommend creating one in a niche that you are interested in. If you don't have ideas, here are some niches that have a lot of demand on Instagram and on which you can find profitable products on Clickbank. Once you have an idea on what niche you want to start your page in, let's go to Clickbank to search for the product we're going to promote. I'm already here, so I'm gonna log in and be back in a second. If you don't have your account yet, then you can pause the video and register, or watch the video till the end and do it then if you find this method suitable for you, whatever you like to do. Alright, so once you are here, we're not going to go for affiliate marketplace, and right here we're going to search for our product that we're going to promote. I'm actually interested in business and marketing, so I believe the business and investing as well as e-business and e-marketing category would be suitable for me. And in those niches I would like to build my Instagram page. So let's now choose the business and investing category, and subcategory that would be suitable for me is probably small business entrepreneurship. And one thing I'm going to look for when it comes to choosing my product is obviously how much I'm going to make off of one sale, as well as the gravity score. Gravity means how many people are promoting the exact product successfully. So I believe minimum gravity score of 50 would be a pretty good sign that the product is selling well. Let's now click on go, and as you can see, there are no products that are having a gravity score of 50, so I'm gonna keep on searching. So I actually found this one product that one have a recurring commission system, so it's one plus. The other is that the average conversions are pretty high. I mean, it's almost $34, so it's pretty good. The gravity score is 250, and actually I really like this product. I mean, as long as they will pay me, obviously I will like it. But yeah, actually they have a really fire product. They are something like Respondent, but you know, this online service type of stuff when you just apply for some work, but here they are giving you this work. So an example of the job was like commenting on some posts and just making money off of it. So it's pretty easy, and I think it's worth a try promoting it. We'll see how it will go. So yeah, right now I'm going to click on promote, type my account nickname. If you wonder where you can find it, you're just going to click on accounts right here, and as you can see here's mine. So I'm gonna just copy it and paste it right here, and here they created me this long ass link, so I'm gonna copy it and use bit.ly. Okay, so now as it's looking way better, I'm gonna copy it and jump on my new Instagram account, and right here I'm gonna just paste it up here, and yeah, here we go. I'm gonna be back in a second once I create a bio and, you know, maybe change the name. So yeah, I'm gonna be back in a second.
Tomorrow.
Alright, so I added a simple bio and the link to the product I'm promoting. Here's my bio. Whoa. Okay, something like that. I added the link to the product I'm promoting as well here. And with time I'll obviously optimize it by adding Linktree, and in that way I will be able to promote more products related to my niche. So right now I'll show you a full strategy I'm going to use to promote the product and what you can do with your Instagram page to sell your product successfully. Basically what we're going to do is reposting other people's videos and photos in your niche. That's what I've started doing already, and I'm going to show you 3 examples of pages that implemented this method, and you can tell they are doing it successfully. For example, this guy or girl, or they, cause maybe they can be non-binary, I don't know. I'm gonna call those creators Riley, as it's a name for both sex or sexes. I don't know how you conjugate it. So yeah, Riley is doing exactly what I'm about to do, as it's in a niche of making money online. And guess what? He's or she's, here we go again, promoting different affiliate products. If you click here, you can actually see that he or she is promoting this product that is affiliate product. For example, this ebook right here, so maybe it's Riley's actually, and YouTube channel and stuff like that. So but this one is actually an affiliate product, so Riley is actually implementing the same thing we're going to do. And there is a different Riley that is doing the exact same thing effectively, but in a keto diet niche. Riley has done a funnel that is redirecting straight to the Clickbank product. By the way, I'm preparing a video on how to make a funnel for different affiliate marketing products, so you can subscribe to not miss it. And the third account I found is this time in law of attraction / numerology niche, and guess what? We have here an affiliate product once we click in the bio. So yeah, so what can you post on your page? You can post TikToks, post from Instagram, Pinterest, or even Google Graphics. You can obviously create your own posts, for example in Canva on top of that as well. To add, for example, TikTok videos, make sure to download them without the watermark, as Instagram doesn't like when TikTok videos land there, but you can go around it in that way. To do that, simply type TikTok without watermark in Google, and some websites that will help you remove the watermark will show up. To add Instagram videos is even easier. You just need to have an app called Saver on your phone. It's a free app that lets you download whatever you'd like to. If it's a photo or Instagram Reels videos, it looks like that. And you have this app both on Android and App Store. It's so easy, it should be illegal, but it isn't, and you can tell it works. You just need to be consistent with it, post at least 1 time a day, optimize it, which is a fancy word to say test things out and see what works and what doesn't, and grow your page with time to increase your earnings with the products you promote. Instagram is so cool that once you build your page, people in your niche will want to pay for shoutouts of their accounts and promos of their brands, so it can be a whole source of income that with time can even become a full-time income. You never know. And whatever this full-time income means for you, there is a whole option of possibilities. I think there is a saying like that. It is in Poland, so I don't know. You get me? If you'd like me to turn this video into a challenge and give you an update in some time, let me know in the comments below. You can leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you got some value off of this video, and I'm wishing you to find success with this method like many other people has. Remember, it's all about consistency. You can make it big, but you wouldn't probably go to the point of making $100 a day after a week or two. After 3 or 4 months, it's more realistic. Either way, I believe it's worth a try. I'll keep you updated with this account as well. You can hit me up on my page and share with me your results once you have some. I'll be more than happy to give you some tips on how to grow Instagram page. Let me know if you'd like to see a video about it on this channel. And for today that will be it. If you'd like to learn about my blueprint to achieve this kind of results with my favorite affiliate program, Builderall, I'm leaving a link to my Fiverr gig in the description below. You're welcome to check it out, and see you in the next video. Peace.